I also extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Srimati Lata Manoj Kumar, Inspector General of Police, Ajmer Range. Allow me to introduce you to the gathering now. Srimati Lata Manoj Kumar is from the IPS batch of 2000. She was awarded her first posting in the year 2002 as the Assistant Superintendent of Police Circle 4, Kota City. Ever since, she has held various prestigious offices, and now ma'am is the IG of Ajmer. Felicitate those students who have done exceptionally well in the board exams, along with our state level sport persons. May I now request our principal, Shri Sanjay Khati, to kindly escort our chief guest for the prize giving. Outstanding work in academics in the senior section and Mayur Merit Scholarship in the talents. Harsh Ajmera, A-stars in all 8 subjects, top in the world in mathematics, medal for outstanding performance in international curriculum, Mayur Merit Scholarship for academics.
तो पीछे बिल्कुल पीछे हो जाइए सर।
Medal for outstanding performance in international curriculum. Anish Radha, first in science, share. First in physics, share. First in chemistry with 100% marks. First in computer science. Shri Vikram Singh, a Solanki Memorial Medal for having topped in 12 physics board exams, share, and Mayur Merit Scholarship for academics, share. Vidhan Gangwal, first in humanities, share, first in English, share, first in psychology with 100% marks, Santa Medal for excellence in academics in board exams presented by Dr. Umesh Singh Santa, and Mayur Merit Scholarship for academics in the top in board exams. Now moving on to the special prizes. Medal for Best Scout presented by Mayur Strikers, Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Instrumental Music, Brass Band, Wind Instrument, Arav Singh. Medal for the Best Cadets in NCC, Ajit Singh Rathod. Shri Chandrabhat Sharma Medal for Best Artist in the junior section, Asha Mahayash. Late Srimati Lalabai Mathur Memorial Medal for the Best Artist in the middle section, Udanshu Badhe. Devi Baldi Memorial Medal for the Best Artist in the senior section, Pragati Nirvana. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarships for Arts, Bhumi Jagir. Shri Naveen Chand Sogani Memorial Medal for Best Actor in English Play and Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarships for Acting in English Play for Gurudhani. Meena Ratnani Memorial Medal presented by the Mayur staff for Best Actress in English Play and Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Acting in English Play, Taiba Maharaj. Medal for the Best Supporting Actor in English Play, Parth Degnani. Medal for the Best Supporting Actress in English Play, Palak Jain. Shri Devendra Singh Medal for Best Debater in English, Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Debating, and Virani Medal for Excellence in Western Vocal Music, Rishi Mathur. Rao Hamid Singh Major Medal for Best Actor in Hindi Play, Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Acting in Hindi Play, and Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Western Instrumental Music, String Instruments, Dhruv Bharadwaj. Medal for Best Actress, Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Acting in Hindi Play, and BR Medal for Best Dancer, Samruddhi Kaushik. Medal for the Best Supporting Actor in Hindi Play, Samad Idnani. Medal for the Best Supporting Actress in Hindi Play, Manat Khan. Ved Rao Chandra Singh of Vanamara Medal for Best Debater in Hindi, Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Debating, and Shri Vajit Ram Bhugalia Medal for the Best Basketball Player, Pari Kothari. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Best Student Director, Aditya Vikram Singh Rathod. Medal for Excellence in IT presented by the Mayur Computer Department at Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Mehndi Making, Harit Purohit. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Computer Applications, Abhyuday Saxena. The Bhagsuri Medal for Excellence in Indian Vocal Music, Priyamvati Shri Bundera. Pandit Shri Chakradhar Dadra Medal for Best Indian Instrumental Player, Fasiha Vasim. Medal for Best Western Instrumental Player, Aditya Mantri. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Indian Instrumental Music, String Instruments, Soumya Singh. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Indian Instrumental Music, Flute Instruments, Sugam Nawal. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Indian Instrumental Music, Percussion, Siddharth Kanthariya. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Western Instrumental Music, Wind Instruments, Abhay Dutt Sharma. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Western Instrumental Music, Drums, Hardik Daswani. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Instrumental Music, Brass Band, Manas Jain. Mayur Co-Curricular Scholarship for Western Vocal Music, Angel Foot. Ved Shri Siddharth Chakrabarti Medal Best Cricketer in Medal Section, Syed Huzail Ahmed. Medal for the Best Cricketer in Senior Section presented by Mayur striker Syed Ali Konen Jishu. Shri Jagdish Prasad Saxena Best Medal for Table Tennis, Yuvraj Shah. Manpa Medal for Best Boy Athlete in Senior Section, Jainam Jain. Mandawa Medal for Best Girl Athlete in Senior Section, Prisha Royal. Medal for the Best Softball Player presented by Shri B. Singh Rathore of Sarana, and the Principal's Medal for Overall Excellence in Games, Girls, Garida Agarwal. Kannada Medal for the Best Footballer in Junior Section, Adyansh Rawat. Harshal Jain. Veera Medal for the Best Badminton Player, Suhani Goyal. She earned Singh Pooch Medal for the Best Swimmer, Shiv Nandini Kumari. Madhusudan Singh Ji Masuda Medal for the Best Rifle Shooter, Ikshita Singh. LSJ Medal for the Best Tennis Player, Meher Ghai. Nate Kuso Alarakmaka for medal for the Best All-Rounder in primary section boys and girls, Anirudh and Aradhya Sharma.
उधर ही रहिए उधर ही रहिए Thank you.
There is Amit Hachuka Medal for Best All-Rounder in the middle section, girls, Anna Kamdar. There is Amit Hachuka Medal for the Best All-Rounder, middle section, boys, Divyanshu Mulchandani. Shri Dharma Madhu Medal for Best All-Rounder in secondary section, Oshika Divaya. Shri Dharma Madhu Medal for Best All-Rounder in secondary section, Part Denali. Maharano Medal Medal for Best All-Rounder in senior section, Kari Kothari. Maharano Medal Medal for Best All-Rounder senior section, Dhruv Bhagwat. Moving on to the prestigious cups. Khara Cup Inter-House Hockey presented by Thakur Govind Dev of Khara goes to Mehrangarh House.
Yes. Many congratulations.
Inter-House Basketball Cup presented by Shri Devendra Singh, IPS retired, goes to Ranthambore House. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can I now request you to address the gathering?
Let me first thank the school and Sanjay for inviting me here. It's been a great pleasure to be here. Though I wanted to be here, I have since the past 6 months that I've been here, something or the other would keep coming up. And it's been a delight to be here with you all this. And you all children are amazing. I've seen your work, your art, your expressions, and I'm simply amazed. So I saw somewhere the environment thing. We don't sweat, we sparkle. That's written somewhere. So in life you will sweat. You don't have to sweat. And therefore you will partner. So, the exhibitions, they were amazing. Especially to name a few, all of them were amazing, but to name a few, which I really liked, was the golden ratio. The thing how the girl explained to me, the golden ratio, the artificial rain, and the Archimedes screw, how to lift water from the low lying place to a higher place. Amazing skills, amazing presentations. I know you have put in a lot of hard work in this show. And actually, I felt very bad because I actually could not give much time to it. But it was a wonderful experience to go through all the exhibitions, talk to you children, meet the teachers who have put in so much of effort into this program, into teaching you kids, bringing out your talents. Amazing. And my congratulations to all the winners, the medals, the certificates, the trophies, all of you, your achievements are tremendous. My best wishes to all of you, and wish you good luck in all your endeavors, and I wish the school all the best in all the times to come. And I thank all the teachers also. Thank you so much for inviting me here. I'm really sorry I have to rush back because of some professional commitment, but I'll visit again sometime soon. Thank you so much.
Gratitude to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.